This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. The Rolex rumor mill is once again ablaze, stirring excitement and uncertainty within the collector community as speculations swirl about the potential discontinuation of several iconic models. Conversations have zeroed in on the fate of the Rolex Sprite, the vibrant Kermit, and the mint green Sky Dweller, fueling debates about whether these watches are destined to vanish from production and elevate their status to coveted grail pieces. Adding to the frenzy are murmurs surrounding other potential exits, including the Celebration Dial Oyster Perpetual and the Pepsi GMT. With Rolex's well-known penchant for surprise discontinuations, collectors remain on high alert, understanding that securing the right model before it disappears can be the difference between acquiring a future treasure or being left to chase skyrocketing aftermarket prices. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will serve as a comprehensive guide in helping you make the right choices with our knowledge about the truth behind Rolex market prices. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so to stay informed on future updates. Among the models dominating the conversation, Kermit's vibrant green bezel and enduring appeal have made it a central focus. Initially commanding as much as $24,000 when it debuted, the market for this model has since adjusted. As of 2025, prices have settled between $14,400 and $15,600, with earlier MK1 editions fetching around $13,200, slightly above their original retail price. However, despite this price correction, the Kermit remains notoriously difficult to acquire. Securing one directly from an authorized dealer often requires years of cultivating relationships, with typical wait times stretching from 3 to 5 years. A seasoned trader recently emphasized that without an established rapport, obtaining a Kermit directly is akin to wishing upon a star. Patience, in this case, continues to be a virtue that often rewards collectors with long-term financial gains. The Rolex Sprite, known for its unique left-handed crown and distinctive green-black bezel, is another model cloaked in speculation. Despite its relatively recent introduction, whispers persist that it may be quietly retired, creating an opportunity for those with foresight to secure one before it disappears. A savvy collector recently highlighted the strategy of acquiring a Sprite in pristine condition, complete with original stickers, positioning it as a future sleeper hit that could experience exponential value growth upon discontinuation. Given Rolex's history of pulling models abruptly from production, this approach reflects the calculated bets that seasoned collectors make in the ever-competitive watch market. Attention has also turned to the mint green Sky Dweller, which has captured the imagination of enthusiasts due to its sleek design and versatility across both Jubilee and Oyster bracelets. While many argue that it is too much of a powerhouse to face discontinuation, the unpredictability of Rolex's decisions leaves nothing off the table. The Sky Dweller, particularly in precious metal variants such as yellow and rose gold, has become a favorite among high rollers. The models with green dials continue to command top dollar, while steel and gold variants, especially those with a white dial, offer a more attainable entry point, with prices around $24,000 on a Jubilee and slightly less on an Oyster. For collectors seeking value, vintage Sky Dwellers present an attractive alternative, with prices ranging from $16,500 to $17,800, a reminder that sometimes the best deals lie in models that have stood the test of time. The discussion inevitably turned to curating the ultimate Rolex collection, a pursuit that blends timeless icons with rising stars. One notable collector recently showcased a carefully assembled lineup: a Datejust 41 with a striking blue dial on a Jubilee bracelet, a Batman GMT, a Root Beer GMT, and a classic Submariner. However, despite this impressive array, it was widely agreed that a bimetal yellow-gold GMT reference 126713 GRNR, with its lustrous finish and commanding presence, would perfectly round out the collection. Retailing at around $15,200 but fetching upwards of $17,500 on the gray market due to heightened demand. This model exemplifies the delicate balance between retail and aftermarket valuations that shape the modern Rolex landscape. As the conversation shifted, the focus fell on the elusive ceramic Daytona, a watch that has established itself as the crown jewel in many collections. Revered for its robust functionality and sleek aesthetic, the Daytona remains a symbol of horological excellence. Despite its consistently high demand, securing one remains a challenge, with long waitlists and intense competition among buyers. For many collectors, the ceramic Daytona represents both an investment and a testament to refined taste, making it a perennial favorite in any Rolex portfolio. The discourse also touched on the Hulk, a model that has become emblematic of fluctuating supply and demand in the Rolex ecosystem. The rapid shifts in its availability, reminiscent of changing fashion trends, have made it a target for opportunistic traders eager to secure rare variants before prices surge. Similarly, the Pepsi GMT, a beloved classic with a rich legacy, has been the subject of speculation, with rumors suggesting it may also face discontinuation. This uncertainty only fuels the desire among collectors to secure these pieces before they vanish from authorized dealer shelves. A deep dive into the pre-owned market revealed that even seasoned traders continue to adapt their strategies in response to the ebb and flow of supply and demand. The Batman GMT, another perennial favorite, has demonstrated remarkable resilience in maintaining its allure, with prices remaining strong across both new and pre-owned segments. Likewise, the Root Beer GMT, with its distinctive blend of steel and Everose gold, disappears from inventory almost as quickly as it arrives, underscoring its enduring popularity. As inventory levels fluctuate, traders keep a vigilant eye on stock, recognizing that availability can change in an instant, influencing pricing dynamics across the secondary market. Amidst these discussions, the Sky Dweller emerged as a focal point, with attention paid to older precious metal models that continue to hold their ground in value. The elusive rose gold Sky Dweller, with a blue dial, now regarded as a unicorn in the Rolex universe, commands prices upwards of $63,500, reflecting its scarcity and desirability. Meanwhile, solid gold Sky Dwellers, priced between $33,000 and $35,600, remain poised for long-term appreciation due to their limited availability. In contrast, steel and gold versions of the Sky Dweller present a golden opportunity for value-conscious buyers seeking to balance luxury with practicality. As traders and collectors dissected the market's intricacies, it became evident that timing remains the ultimate factor in determining success in the Rolex game. The ability to anticipate which models will ascend in value and which will fade into the background is an art honed through experience, market insight, and intuition. While some models, like the Kermit and Sprite, are poised for potential discontinuation, others, such as the Sky Dweller and Daytona, continue to capture the imagination of collectors with their timeless appeal. The high-stakes world of luxury watch collecting demands not only a keen eye for detail, but also an unwavering pulse on market trends. As the evening's discussions drew to a close, one undeniable truth resonated. In the world of Rolex, knowing when to buy, hold, or sell is an art that transforms collectors into market maestros. Each acquisition and decision contributes to a larger narrative where prestige, investment, and passion converge, ensuring that those who master this art not only keep time, but also shape the future of their collections. As the luxury watch market continues its intricate journey, one truth remains unwavering. Those who master the art of timing, foresight, and strategic acquisition shape not only the future of their collections, but also the broader narrative of horological excellence. The thrill of the chase, the satisfaction of securing a coveted piece, and the enduring value of a well-curated collection serve as a testament to the timeless allure of Rolex, an enduring legacy that transcends generations. For those who remain attuned to the subtle shifts in the market, the next chapter in their collecting journey promises to be as rewarding as the timepieces themselves. What are your thoughts on the topic we shared in this video? Let us know by commenting and giving this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the Luxury World for more insights into the world of luxury timepieces.